Well, today also we are going to start DP Kids program, right? Yeah, DP Kids program is really famous these days and we are practicing. Who's this today? What's your name? What's your name? Huh?
Chituli.
Chituli, that's right. Chituli, it's a beautiful name. Yeah, of course. Yes, Chituli. However, Chituli, yeah, it's a beautiful name, right? What your friends are telling about your name?
They like it.
They like it. Okay, they love it, right? Very good. So then beautiful things we are bringing to you with beautiful kids and so we're going to draw beautifully with DP Kids program. So today also we are going to draw a beautiful thing and we are going to improve your creativity. So we know that now through DP Kids you can practice your drawing skills. Well, so today we are going to draw a new thing, right? Yeah. Today also we are going to use our hands to draw something, okay, right? And we are going to draw a special thing. Yes, so we are going to draw a kind of a very good creation using our hands now. So we'll start to draw then, and then you have to look at me very carefully and follow my steps. Then you also can draw. Okay, so keep your hand like this shape. Okay, put your hand here and see. Okay, then you can guess what type of an animal we are going to draw. Can you please keep your hand like this? And yeah, you are going to take the platinum to your other hand, right? Okay, so are you okay? All right, so you can keep that hand, right, this hand, okay, right? And then, well, okay, like this. Draw like this, okay. Beautifully you can draw the outline, okay, right. Good. Okay. Extend that line. Good. Okay. Right. Wow. Fine. And after that, we are going to extend this line up to here. That's right. Good. And next we can draw a line like this, like a mouth. See? Good. And then we can draw two eyes here. Good. We have drawn an animal, right? Yes. And then here also we can draw a line like this and we can fill this part with some lines. Okay. Lines like this. Okay. See. And then we can draw its tongue, a thin tongue. Good. Now we completed. And shall we color this? Okay. So we'll take yellow color and color this. Well, we have completed the picture. Now we're going to show you how beautiful it is. So see, you also can draw animals like this very beautifully, and you can use your hand something like this very creatively, and then you can draw many things. Okay, not only this type of snakes, this type of animals, but many more things. Also, we are going to leave from this program and we are going to come and meet you with another new program. Say bye. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.